size is 7 and the team size is 3, and the order of selection doesn't matter here. So if I select first player, second player, third player, or third player, first player, second player, the team composition is still the same, 1 2 3. So order is not an important part here. That means this is a combination, not a permutation. So we use the combination formula, which is NCR, and that is factorial n divided by factorial r and n minus r. And here n is our group size, so this is our n and this is our r. They are looking different, so that's good. And then now I substitute that. So here I have 7c3, and that is factorial 7 divided by factorial 3 divided by 7 minus 3 factorial, and that is equal to 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial and 4 factorial. And this I know is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. I will stop here because I see a 4 in my denominator, and I say 4 factorial there, 3 factorial here, and there is a multiplication in between them, this multiplication here, and this gives me 7 times 6 times 5, and 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, and this is what I am crossing out. I'm crossing this 4 out, 4 factorial, and I'm left with this. Here I see 6, and these 3 and 2 will go away, and I am left with 7 times 5, and that is 35 ways. So that's what we get. So this is how we would do step by step, but if you do this many times, then you can do this very fast. And let's take a look at that. Let me clean this here. So if I have another question very similar, where the group size is, let's say, 8, and the team size is, let's say, 5. In this case, I can quickly see that this is 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial and 5 factorial, or 5 factorial and 3 factorial, either way. And then I can say this is 8 times 7 times 6 divided by 5 factorial. So that goes away, and I can get that 6 out, and it will be 8 times 7. So this, I am quickly saying this is equal to 8 times 7, which is 56, right? And let me see what I am doing here. So this is 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial, and I have 3 factorial. I'll make that 3 times 2 times 1 times 5 factorial, and this 5 and 5 going out, 3 2 going out, and I'm left with 8 and 7, right? So this, I have done this here without going through this step, and the only reason I can do that because I have practiced this enough. So if I have this factorial practice, factorial division done many times, or this type of questions done many times, right, that then I see this and I can just quickly jump to this setup. So let's do another question like that, and while I'm doing this, you can stop the video and do it yourself. So let's say a group size of 9 and a team size of, let's say, 4, right? By looking at that, I know 9 minus 4 will be 5. So I will have a 9 factorial on the top, a 4 factorial because of this size, and a 9 minus 4 factorial, which is 5. So I will cancel everything up till 5 factorial. So that gives me 9 times 8 times 7 times 6, and with a factorial 4. So if I know what my factorial 4 is, factorial 4 is 24. That's what I have memorized. And I can see that there is a 4 here hidden and a 6 here, which will give me 24. And then I'm left with 7 and 9. So I will be left with 9 times 2 times 7. So it's 18 times 7 or 9 times 14, whatever you choose. So if I would like to do 9 times 14, and this is 90 plus 36, and 90 plus 36 is 126. So there is some mental math ideas that I am throwing out. Hopefully you got some of this, and you can probably try some more to get your practice going, and that should be good for you.